Okay, so almost immediately after reducing the oil level, I've noticed a little bit of a gain here just by shaking the bike. We're going to do a quick test out the driveway here. Down there and back, we're going to hit that bump at the end of the driveway and see if we can get that to double. Does that distance from here to here look like it had doubled to you? I think it has. They look even, so that's good. The suspension feels nice and soft. So it looks like we've got great success. When I hit the bump at the end of the driveway, I barely felt it. No sudden jar. The suspension just traveled those 4 inches with 2 more to spare. So that's a pretty good test. It's a good hit for the bike. So I rather enjoyed that. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit here and oil that, lubricate that a little bit, and put the covers back on.